We're looking at page 187 and example number 2. In this one, they're giving us a practical application of finding surface area and volume. Don't get scared, the numbers are really big. Normally we don't see that big of a radius, or then it means our surface area and volumes are not that big in questions. So focus on the process rather than that big answer you're going to get. Okay, so this is a Pluto. The planet has a diameter of 2302 kilometers, which means the radius here would be half of that, and it comes out to be 1151. Okay, again, please don't get overwhelmed with the big numbers. It's the formulas and the process that we're looking at. So to find the surface area for Pluto, which is a sphere, we're going to use our formula, which is surface area is equal to 4 pi r squared. So you're simply going to input in your calculator 4 times pi times your r squared. Okay, you will get a humongous number, which is 1664794.36, and that would be kilometers squared. If you want to write this as a scientific notation, I would then take my decimal and see how many times does it go back after the first non-zero spot. That's right here. So I would go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I know it's going to be 10 to the 7, but I only need to round this to the nearest tenth, so I don't have to write this entire decimal again. So that would become 1.7 times 10 to the 7 kilometers squared. Okay. Now, to find the volume, remember volume, we have to cube it. So it's 4/3 pi r cubed. So you can actually go ahead and go 4 times pi times r cubed, and then divide by 3 if you like. So it's going to be 4/3 times pi. If you want to put this together, make sure it's in a bracket, times r, which is 1151, and to remember to cube it. So you can use your power button in your calculator to put the power to the 3. This again is going to give us a pretty big number, even bigger than the last one. So 63872599783, and I'm going to rewrite that as a scientific notation as well. So I know I have to round it to the nearest tenth, so I will stop here. But I need to move this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 times back. And when I round this to the 10th one, because this number is greater than 5, it will become 6.4 times 10 to the 9th kilometers cubed. So again, you should be able to do these questions quite easily with smaller numbers. Our radiuses are going to be much smaller, but we just need to remember to use the correct formulas and make sure we input them in the calculator properly.